Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In today's quick tip video, I've got a really fast one about how to take tiny fractions of a millimetre off the end of a workpiece that you're trying to get to fit really snugly. It's coming up next. You know, sometimes you need to trim something back just ever so slightly so that it fits absolutely perfectly. And one of the best ways I've found is when you get this back at the chop saw, to take off a tiny sliver at one end, you just put the workpiece into the fence, against the fence, drop the blade down, and then just press the end of the workpiece into the blade, just so the blade deflects ever so slightly. Then when you lift the blade up, it springs back to its normal position, and you find you've got a fraction of a millimetre cut off there. And then you can repeat that until you get the perfect fit. So that's it for this week's quick tip. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it freely amongst your friends, and do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Just check back on a Friday when there's always something new up at noon. I'll see you then.